one of the biggest issues I hear from students, and I hear this a lot with math classes more than any other, is test anxiety. And I know that this is, but what I want to have us look at is a different perspective of it, because I know that sometimes it isn't test anxiety and isn't this looming over us that happens every test. I see this often, even with the students that are the best students with best intent. What I see with test anxiety is oftentimes students aren't preparing the most, and it's not a bad thing. In the best way, students aren't doing exactly what it takes, and especially in math class, it's so rote and routine oriented that as long as you're getting good habits and good strategies, those tests are exactly like our homework. Make sure, and especially with an online class, and this is the one that we see often the most is, we're doing with this online software, the My Math Lab, the WebAssign, all these other ones where students get used to seeing it online on the computer and they enter a number, they go to the next problem. Math is still just like the old days. You need to be doing it pencil and paper. You need to have all those workbooks, all of those textbooks. You're going through and you're writing your problems down. Be organized. Have this by chapter, by section, by problem. Write down the problem. Even though you're seeing it and it's written up there, copy it down here again. When you write it over again, not only are you refreshing it in your mind and really nailing it down, but also you have that to look back to as you're preparing. I know a lot of tests are open note, open book. When you're looking back and you have all of that in front of you, it's not just this random number. It's not just this random formula. When you have the full context of what you're doing, it's absolutely essential to have that available. And that's where we see so many times with test anxiety that students get away from doing that. They get out of these habits. Make sure to maintain those strong habits, and you're going to see those test scores really improve.